be. Straight up family. Yeah.
Hey, for the first, we should try to realize what's the main for you.
Well,
Who's the precious one
you,
for your soul?
you,
What's the main for you?
you,
Who's the precious one?
you.
Do you know what I mean? Do you? Just try another perception, a new vision of life. You just try
Well, I'll try.
to imagine that I am you and you and me. Together we're like a family. Oh, we're like a family. Oh, we're like a family. You know, you see, we're like a family.
I believe it. Well, I'll try. Do what I can. Make sure that we got the ultimate master plan. One fam. I'll never stop until the casket drop. See, I love you if you buy me a nice, beautiful house. I love you if you connect that house to a long driveway. I love you if you give me everything that I always held so dear. It was you. See, I can see in your eyes. You had that moment of my surprise when you smiled. And all the while, I wanted to dip into my own dream. See, ain't no nightmares. You shared everything that I could ever care for. One family, one brothers, one sisters, all of us singing the same damn song. I want unity. I mean, what would it be if our hand couldn't be one great fist? One family, we are all of the same part of the drift. Family, are gifted from when all is inside. Divide lights, transformation across nation. When you can see the family's life.
We're a family. No, we're like a family.
Rooftop condo.
No, we're like a family. No, you see, we're like a family.
Private plane, champagne. That's what we live in.
Baby, I could be something new for you. Baby, it's not that easy to understand, but in the end, you will see that we are one big family, and we'll take it with all of us in our musical wonder world.
For sure,
In the end.